Welcome to this introduction to Google Drive. This video will introduce you to the basics of Google Drive for teaching and learning. Google Drive is a tool for storing and sharing all of your files, documents, videos, images, and spreadsheets with your students, colleagues, co-authors, and others. Collaborate with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Because your files are stored in the cloud, you can access them from any computer or device with internet access. From your Wake Forest University Gmail account, select Drive from the Google Apps icon on the top right. You can also access Drive by going to drive.google.com in your internet browser. From this page, you can install Drive as well. Installing the program isn't necessary, but it is helpful if you want to work offline on documents or to save non-Google items to Drive offline as a storage repository. Google Drive includes several types of documents: files and folders that you create in Drive, files and folders that you upload, and files and folders that Drive users share with you. Let's start by adding files to Drive from your computer. Let's begin by selecting the red up arrow box on the left-hand side of your Drive homepage. From here, you can select to upload a file or folder, depending on what you want to upload. And for this example, let's go ahead and choose Files. This will open a new window with all of the files on your computer. Select the file you want to upload to Drive and select Open. Notice the upload status. Please note that the upload screen may look different for users based on settings entered in Drive. The upload settings can be changed from Drive's home screen if you click on the gear icon and then on Upload Settings. You can see here that you can convert uploaded files to the Google Docs format, convert text from uploaded PDF and image files, and also confirm the document upload settings before each upload. Converting a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, or Excel spreadsheet to the Google equivalent gives users full editing capabilities and doesn't count towards your 30 gigabyte storage quota. Either way, all uploaded files can be shared. Once the upload is complete, it will appear in Drive. Now you can share this document with anyone. This is a great way to share class materials with students without the need for email attachments, or to collaborate in real time with colleagues, co-authors, and other professors. Check the box for the document you want to share, and then click on the Add People icon that appears. You'll see a pop-up that allows you not only to share the document, but to specify the visibility options and access level for each item you wish to share. For our visibility options, we can see right now that our document is private. Only you can access it. So let's give some visibility options by clicking on this blue Change link. Starting with the most liberal options, going down to really the most restricted. First is anyone given access to this or anyone with internet access can find and access the document with public on the web. Next, if you want anyone with the link to be able to view your document, you could click on this option. The next two are specific for Wake Forest University, so anyone with a Wake Forest University username can access it. Next, anyone with a Wake Forest University username with the link can access it. And then finally, the most restrictive, specific people that you identify will be able to see the document. So we'll choose that one and click Save. Now we're ready to share this document. Let's come down to where it says Invite People. And if it's someone at Wake Forest University, you can just start by typing their name and their email address will pop up. So you can go ahead and choose. If it's someone outside of Wake Forest University, you will need to type out their full email address. Notice on the right-hand side here, these are the access levels that they'll be given. So can edit, any of these people that you send the link to would be able to edit it. Can comment or can view. So of course, can edit would give the most amount of leeway for the document. Can view would just allow them to view the document. But for collaborators, we're going to go ahead and say can edit. We're going to notify these people that they have access to the document via email, and you can also decide to send a copy to yourself if you'd like, and we'll click on send. Are you sure that you want to send this to people outside of the Wake Forest University email system? This is always going to prompt you if you're going to be sending this outside of Wake Forest University, so we'll say yes. Once you've shared the document, those who have access will now appear in the Sharing Settings list. You may change their access rights at any time by selecting the drop-down menu and changing their access. So for kchamb@comcast.net here, I can change them from an editor to a viewer. And it'll prompt you that you have to save the changes. You can also remove anybody at any point by clicking on the X and then saving changes. Finally, please note that not only can all types of documents be shared, but entire folders can be shared in the same way. We'll go ahead and click on Done here. You can also create documents from within Drive. Check out our next tutorial titled Google Drive: Creating and Sharing Files for more information.